Hello, first graders. It's time for Math Lesson 7-6. This is the last lesson in Topic 7 and my favorite one because you have to do something new and a little more thinking. We're going to look at a story problem. Now, we've done story problems many times, and we know that we have to notice the information we're given and then figure out what are they asking us to find. In this case, what's new for us is creating a table, not the kind of table on which you eat your lunch, but a math table, and it looks like this. So let's see the problem. The children need mittens. Each child has 2 hands. How many mittens are needed for all of the children? You need to find out how many hands the children have altogether. So we're going to make a table to notice the pattern. And the first thing we do is we notice one child has 2 hands. So number of children, 1. One child has 2 hands, so he needs 2 mittens. Now, if we go up to 2 children, now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 hands. 2 children means 4 mittens. What do you think would go here? We're going in a pattern. 1, 2, 3 children. And if we have 3 children, how many mittens would we need for 3 children? And then, of course, 4 children, and figure out how many mittens are needed. Then look at the numbers across and see if you notice any patterns. Okay, and of course we would notice that this goes in a pattern of counting by ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this would go in a pattern of counting by twos, 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 mittens will be needed for all of the children. Does your answer make sense? Oh, this is such an important part. Whenever we do a story problem, we need to ask ourselves. We always back up and reread in our reading, and we back up and reread when we're solving a story problem. We need to make sure it makes sense. We're not just trying to get it done. We want to see if it makes sense. Does it make sense that we need 8? Well, let's count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes, the answer is yes, it does make sense. You're going to try solving this story problem using a table and the ones on the page behind it.